Affirmations to improve lung capacity. Repeat loudly after me. I welcome every breath as a blessing of life and healing. My lungs expand with ease. My breath is deep, full, and free. My inhales fill me with strength till the third lobe of my lungs. And every exhale releases tension. I trust my body's ability to heal and restore my lung function. My breath reaches every cell, nourishing me with oxygen and energy. And for that, I need to do peak state. With each breath, my lungs grow stronger and more vibrant. Because between one breath and the next is life. It is safe for me to take up space. Universe is here to heal me. And hence I breathe deeply till the lowest capacity of my third lung lobe. I release all emotional grief and heaviness from my lungs that can restrict its capacity and hence not work 100%. I'm grateful for my lungs and send healing energies to those who have their lungs replaced and were battling for life. Breath by breath, my lungs help me to return to my full life force. Thank you, lungs. Come in Anjali Mudra in a prayer. Keep the thumbs touching the heartbeats, the thumb knuckles. Feel your heartbeat at your thumb knuckles. With a smile, say, thank you, lungs. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, universe. Sorry, sorry, sorry for not being grateful for my lungs. I love you, my lungs. I love you. You have been healing me with my breathwork daily. And now my lung capacity has increased, my nodules disappeared. You're amazing. Thank you. With a smile for happy lungs that reaches your lungs, get ready for the day after a round of palming. Thank you.